these shifts are amazing. Oh my god. Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Views. Today we're driving a 2021 BMW X2 M35i on the channel. Let's fire this X2 up. Oh, those pops are so good in the back. I gotta say, this is a really cool looking X2. Gorgeous color, kind of gives me those Mini Cooper Countryman vibes. Silver mirrors, blue M brakes, the panoramic sunroof, the angel eyes. This is seriously a good looking car. All right, let's go take a look in the back. We got the BMW badge right here. And we have this super duper cool red interior. This is soft, everything is nice. And we can of course adjust this as needed. But let's hop on in here. And we just pull the lever and we adjust the seat. I'm 6'2", and you know what? It's still pretty good. Angle's pretty good too. We have the ambient lighting here and here. Now this really reminds me of the older X3, X4 interiors. You have these gorgeous sports seats, vents in the back, all those speakers, a black roof. Nice. Press once, the trunk opens. We have quite a big trunk, plenty of space. And we can close with just a push of a button. So here we're gonna find the 2.0T. This is the B48, I believe. Pumps out 302 horsepower. Now, I think the interesting part about this car is that the 8-speed here is actually not the ZF 8-speed. I think this may be the Aisin 8-speed, like the older Mini Coopers. All right, let's jump in here. All right, so we are greeted to this really nice, comfortable interior. I gotta say, I dig these front seats. So comfy. We have a huge, gigantic sunroof. Glove box. Lots of practical storage. We have the navigation system. Now this is the older iDrive. And it is touchscreen actually, surprisingly. That's awesome. You can save the position. And we can also do the map views. Map views, auto zoom. That is so cool. We have a backup camera with sensors, dual zone climate, nice and loud horn. We got the park sensors, auto brake, different drive modes. We're going to start out in comfort, and then we're going to shift to sport. All right, let's set out. Right away, I gotta compliment this nice and tight adjust steering. You definitely get some good feedback in the wheel. Very snappy, very quick. And this is just comfort mode. This is not even sport mode. You can feel that this is a sporty car. The suspension is nice and firm. Oh, wow. Wow. This is impressive. It shifts, boom, boom, with a nice, powerful jolt, as if it's like Ajax shifting. But yeah, you really do feel that this is a stiff suspension. Oh my God, that's crazy. This is a stiff car. Let me tell you that this is a stiff car. It's like a go-kart. Brakes are phenomenal. Instant. It's also really easy to go back and S. You just hold the right paddle and that's it. Sharpness is just incredible. Gotta be kidding me. No, these shifts are amazing. Oh my God. Oh man. Lovely. Let's do a 0 to 60 test up next. gotta say, the mid-range here is so good. Thanks to the all-wheel drive system and how it puts the power down, it's just so stable into the turns. Feels like it's on rails. Wow. And keep in mind, today's a really warm day. Honestly, driving it in just comfort is really good. Plenty torque, effortless power. It's good, really good. Impressive. Wow. 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 gotta say, this is a go-kart. This is freaking awesome.